Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, a bit of a strange one, but it's a mid-month upload for me. And in this video I'm going to be showing you what I got up to in America and all the people I got to meet, and hopefully at some point some of the things that I bought, because I bought loads of stuff. Of course I can't go anywhere without buying tools and things, so yeah, we'll show you that at some point in the video, so stay tuned for that. So to start the trip off, we first went to see Wes from One Lonely Farmer and Teresa. It's never a dull moment with those two. It was really nice to sort of spend some time with their family. We stayed with them and ate some of the lovely food that Teresa made us. Got to see around the farm again and see Wes's family, which was really nice. But from there we went straight to Cabela's, and if anyone knows what Cabela's is, I don't really need to explain it, but it's just the most mind-blowing shop. It's absolutely huge, but yeah, without further ado, let's roll the clip. From there we went to see Matt from dieselcreek. We went to see the Ritchie Brothers auction with him. Of course you can't miss a Ritchie Brothers auction in America, so we went to see that, which was really fun.
Oh. You gotta flat foot that thing.
Yeah, it needs a red line. Ryan. You don't have to worry about smoke coming out there because it breaks about there. That's where it ends.
That's balance. That's a self-balance. You just gotta be able to wet. Slings around, self-balances and gears.
You like that?
Now that we're done at the Ritchie Brothers auction, we got to spend some time with Matt at his place. He showed us around and showed us all the things that he's got and what he's working on and doing at the moment. It was really interesting to see, and also really nice to see off camera some of the things that he has. But yeah, it's just it's a really cool place, and the barn that he's built is massive and it's just amazing. It's sort of what dreams are made of for people like us that like tinkering and playing around with things and old vehicles and whatnot.
Can't find them, grind them. It's not a Sakana, you gotta match that thing.
send it.
It's gonna make us walk up that hill.
Yeah.
Now from Matt's place we went straight down to Indiana where we caught up with Mike from Dirtperfect, Chris from Let's Dig, and also Logger Wade as well, which was quite cool.
Yeah.
I love the way mine. She might be showing you out.
Oh yeah. Yeah. She's driven before, you see. Yeah. No, she's driven several different big old cranes.
out for Sunny from Williamstown, Kentucky. We've got two down here from Williamstown, Kentucky, going to compete head-to-head. Not only are they competing to beat Dirtperfect, our skills championship, they are competing to be the pride of Williamstown.
Hey, you may not know this, but I wrote PBR for 2 years. That's what messed my knee up. Yeah.
You ready?
All right, I'm ready. What we doing? What do I got? Say, Aaron, look over here. I'm ready. What we doing? What we doing? You gonna yell my birthday? All right.
Attention, Texas Roadhouse! We have a very special guest in the house tonight. Hey, Ransomes right here. Happy birthday!
All right, somebody push me.
On the count of 30, let's give him your proudest, your most embarrassing Texas Roadhouse. Yeehaw! For my 9-round club. 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw! Happy birthday!
Now, DB old man, who's gonna help me with the leg back? I'll get it. Don't worry. Great legs.
So I guess it's time to show you what I've bought. I got these socket rails, and the sockets all came separately, but I quite like these socket rails. Kurt got some last time we went. I then got this socket set and another rail. It's a 3/8 wobbly set. No, it doesn't look like it, but there's 3 different things to this one. I've got the sockets, the extensions, and then the rail again. Then, because you can never have enough mole grips, I got this Milwaukee set. I also bought some picks because they were cheap. I also got this as well. It's one of the nicer multimeters that I've seen. I really like how clean the screen is on it. It's really easy to see. Everything's laid out nicely. Not that other ones aren't, but it's just a bit nicer than some of the other ones that I've seen. Finally, something that everyone's been telling me to get and moaning at me about not getting, I got a little dead blow hammer. As you can see, this has been well used already, so yeah, I'm glad I got this. I've used it a lot actually, so that's been good. It doesn't look like a lot, but I think that's everything I've bought. But when you consider that this is separate to that and that's separate to that, and everything is individual, it was quite a lot of money I spent, but there's some tools that I didn't have. I didn't have any of these wobbly sockets which I wanted, so it's worked out well, I think. Now I've showed you what we got up to and what I bought, I guess that's the end of the video. So if you like the video, like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.